What's up, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to turn this CPU, the AMD Athlon 2, from this to this. And all you're going to need is this tool right here, a nondescript metal pry tool. Alright, so, actually, let me get that out of the shot. So, I have the CPU right here. We're going to go ahead and install that in the motherboard. Make sure it's real snug. You're going to want to push real hard just to make sure it's in. Oh, it fell out there a little bit. Just to make sure it's in there. Oh, it keeps falling out. Okay, I think that's good enough. Then you're going to pull that arm down. And then we can install the cooler. You're just going to set that on there. Push really hard. And then grab your trusty tool. And then, yeah, it's installed. I'll go ahead and benchmark that then. Alright, so I just went and installed the RAM and like the GPU and some of the fans and stuff. But yeah, I'm thinking the system's looking pretty good. I think it's going to benchmark real well. Yeah, take a look at that. I decided to just put a 3080 in there, you know, just to remove any and all bottlenecks from the benchmarks. So I'll go ahead, benchmark that, and I'll catch up with you in a sec. Okay, so I'm here in a music program, which is a very CPU intensive thing, and I'm going to go ahead and just pay attention to the CPU thing up here. You guys can see Task Manager right here. You can see it's at a pretty decent percentage idle, so I'm going to go ahead and play a more complicated part, and we'll see how it performs. Wait, hold up. I'm getting messages on Discord. What am I don't want we're just gonna power through it, okay? Okay. We're gonna play a different part of the song. I'm gonna just play this part. Okay, I'm gonna come back in like 20 minutes and do it. Alright, so I went ahead and booted up one of my favorite games, Team Fortress 2, and what we're going to do is we're just going to hop into a community server, and with a bunch of stuff going on, and we're going to see how the CPU performs. You can see various different FPSs up there. Right now in the menu we're averaging around 200, which is pretty good. So I'm going to join this one, just a random server, I don't even know what it is, and we're going to see how it goes. Alright, I'll see you once we load in. Alright, so I went ahead and loaded into a server, and we can see we're still averaging close to 200 FPS. I'm here playing Soldier. Gonna do a quick rocket jump there. I think it's a crits only server, which you know are always pretty fun. So, yeah, jumping around. There's a little bit of stuff going on in the scene, like you have this Heavy's dead body, a bunch of rockets flying around. I just died, don't worry about it. But yeah, I'll go ahead and jump around. I'll check an average like CPU temperature and CPU speed, stuff like that, and we'll see how it goes. Alright, so I just got done benchmarking that game, and we didn't get above close to, what, 20% CPU usage? So, that's pretty good. For a CPU from 2011, that ain't half bad. Alright, so I realized I didn't film an outro for this video, so I just wanted to say thank you for all of the recent support, and yeah, so if you'd like more tutorials like this, let me know in the comments below. I'm more than glad to make more. So yeah, thank you so much. Leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment if you liked it. Thank you. Have a nice day.